Hey y'all, welcome back. We've got the Husky 175 PSI air compressor. It is an eBay air compressor as far as I know. That's where we got it from. We were using it to cut up some masonry the other day for this fireplace build that we're doing. And I came back outside from laying some bricks and it was dead. Wouldn't turn on. So let's go ahead and take it apart. We don't want to just junk it. Let's fix this and get it back up in service. We've got two Torx on top. These are T30s. On each one of the sides, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T25s. There's one additional Torx right back here. Pull the cover off. Right here is our issue. It's a wiring issue. Full disclosure, I found this already. I tried to use some non-electric or electrical compatible solder and it just did not work for pretty obvious reasons, but I was just trying to get it to touch, trying to finish the job, and it wasn't happening. Dripped everywhere, so we're going to clean this out. We're going to go ahead and take this, get it cleaned up, and we're going to do it the right way. This is about $7 at Walmart, so nothing special. We've got a bigger one, but we don't need it. And because I did this, I'm going to have to heat this up. I'm going to have to pull it off, clean it all up, and then we'll redo it the right way. I want to show you. This is what we're using. This costs $7 at the local hardware store. It's electrical. It's got rosin flux core in it, 60/40. So this will work great. And our old air compressor is going to start working again. It's not actually old, it's about 2 years old. This is the air intake. It doesn't have a filter. And the last thing I really want to be doing is sucking in just open air into the system. So this will be getting replaced at some point in time with a big 80-gallon Craftsman that we have to restore. You can see we got a good solder connection there. I made a big mess. Don't follow my lead. Thank goodness it's just the shop compressor, but I'm still going to clean that up as best I can. So let's go ahead and make sure it's off. We'll go ahead and give it a test fire and see if we're back in business. Okay, I got everything cleaned up. I let it run for about 5 minutes. All is well. Let's go ahead and put it back together and get it back in business. So don't throw it away. Take the top off, see what's going on. Maybe look for a wiring issue first. That's what this one had going on. And hope you guys can make it last for a long time. It's a cheap, affordable compressor, but it seems to do okay. I would not, however, recommend it just because it doesn't have an air filter on it. Looks like there's a little space in there where you could do that if you wanted to. Maybe I'll end up doing that. We'll see. So thanks so much for hanging out. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.